Air quality is a measure of how clean or polluted the air is. Monitoring air quality is important because polluted air can be bad for our health and the health of the environment. Air quality is measured with the Air Quality Index, or AQI. The AQI works sort of like a thermometer that runs from 0 to 500 degrees. So, let's start with 5 ways to test air quality at your home. First, purchase air quality monitor. There are currently quite a few indoor air quality monitors on the market that can effectively detect, and log over time, the quality of air inside your home. These devices typically check PM 2.5 levels, tiny dust particles and other allergens in the air that you inhale, volatile organic compounds, like chemical pollutants, temperature and humidity, for mold. Some of the most reliable air quality monitors on the market are the Footbit, Aware, Spec, and Air Mentor 6-in-1. These devices typically cost between $150 to $250. Second, check for signs of mold. You can typically tell if there is a mold infestation in your home by using your eyes and your nose. If you smell a musty odor coming from certain parts of your home, and a cleaning doesn't remove the smell, you might want to consider hiring a professional for a mold test. Mold thrives in moist areas like basements and dirty ductwork or drains. You should also look around for visible signs of mold, like growing black spots, water sports, or particularly damp areas in your home. Third, install carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless, tasteless gas that can be a byproduct of many appliances found in your home, like stoves, fireplaces, furnaces, water heaters, and grills. It can be deadly if inhaled, so it's important to always have carbon monoxide detectors installed on every floor of your home to alert you if there are high levels of CO in your home. Place the carbon monoxide detectors close to your bedroom so that you'll be more likely to hear the alarm when you are sleeping. Make sure you change the detector batteries regularly. A good rule of thumb is to change the batteries once every 6 months or so, though the duration will vary depending on the model. Fourth, perform home radon test. Radon is a radioactive gas that occurs naturally as uranium breaks down. It can be found in the soil and well water, and sometimes it can infiltrate people's homes. The only way to prevent radon contamination is to test for it. You can purchase at-home radon tests from most home improvement stores. Most tests involve a charcoal reading that is done by leaving the sensor material in your home, then collecting it after a given amount of time, and mailing the testing materials to a lab for analysis. Fifth, use Air Purifier. These machines can be very useful in improving the air quality in your home, especially for those who suffer from allergy problems. Electronic air purifiers/air cleaners are typically the most effective, as they can remove dust particles, mold spores, and other allergens from the air more efficiently than filtered purifiers. Place the air purifier in your bedroom for the best results. This will most likely give you a longer period of exposure to the benefits of the machine, while you're sleeping, than in any other location in your house. So, that's all for now. For any queries, do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.